Hey everybody, welcome back to Minta. This is Eric, and in today's video we're going to cover the brand kit page. The brand kit page allows you to make sure that all of the videos being uploaded to social media created by Minta are 100% matching your brand look and feel and vibe. The brand kit has two tabs, the branding tab and the brand slide tab, which we're going to cover in a minute. Starting at the top left, this is your brand logo. When signing up to Minta, our AI tries to automatically withdraw your logo from your store. But if you wish to replace it, or if by any chance Minta withdrew the wrong logo, you can always delete it and upload your own. Next, at the top right, you have the brand colors. Again, our AI tried to analyze your store and come up with the top 4 colors that are most aligned with your brand. But if you wish to change one or any of them, you can do that by clicking on it and changing it to whatever you want. I'm just going to get it back to what it was before because it really matches my brand. Next, the brand font. You can choose up to 2 fonts that are going to show up in your videos. Like anything else on this page, minta.ai try to analyze your brand and try to come up with the most relevant fonts for your videos. If you wish to change any of these fonts, just click the font and choose the relevant font from the list of available fonts in here. I'm just going to keep it as it is. The brand music option will allow you to set a default music that's going to show up in all of your videos. If you wish to update your default music, just click the plus button and select any of the available music clips in here. I'm just going to keep it empty because I think it's better to showcase different music for every video. You can also choose to have no music by default. I'm going to keep it with music, just without a default one. Next, the brand time zone. This is the time zone according to which we're going to post all of your videos on social media. So it's important to make sure that this is accurate according to your brand's location. And lastly, the brand currency. As you can see, it's set to US dollars and I'm going to keep it as it is. Let's move on to the brand slide. The brand slide tab will allow you to add an intro or an outro to each of your videos. Both the intro and the outro are disabled by default. Now let's say that I want to add both of them. I'm going to start with the intro and start by enabling this feature. I have 3 options to choose from on my intro. Either a logo, logo and promotion, or just promotion. For the intro, I think it's best to just show the company logo, so I'm going to choose this one. And as you can see, the promotion and website text are disabled because there's only logo, there is no text in here. As for the outro, I'm going to enable that. And from the list of options, I'm going to choose logo and promotion. Now there are 2 lines of text that I can show up below my logo. The first one is going to be okay, so let's say that my store always offers free shipping. So the promotion is going to be buy now, free shipping. And then the website, let's just make it mywebsite.com. Now, all of these changes are automatically being saved and updated. So if I go to either the homepage or the create page, all of the videos now should have an intro with the brand logo and an outro with the brand logo and the promotion that we've added. Let's have a look.
Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550.
Perfect. So this looks great. Let's go back to the brand kit. Again, all the changes in the branding and the brand slide tabs are all implemented automatically and instantly. This is it, guys. You now know everything you need to know about the brand kit. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, please make sure to comment them in the comment section below, and I promise we will answer each and every one of you. Also, if you need any help, please feel free to reach out to our live chat support at the bottom right corner of the screen. We're available for you 24/7. Good luck with Minta, and I'll see you on the next video.